Good day, folks. Derek, that ADU guy here. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do a quick walkthrough on this backyard accessory dwelling, and I'll show you a little bit of my progress. If you've been following along lately, you've joined with the prepping, priming, painting. Now that all the paint is dry, I've got the fixtures up. I've got heat running in the building, so let's go check it out. So here's the entryway. I've got my final hardware on the door. I'm going with a brushed nickel hardware on everything, and then all the fixtures are galvanized. The idea was to try to make this look like an old barn with kind of a barn color, barn theme, galvanized. So as we just kind of walk around this ADU systematically, I'll show you what's going on. This is color from Miller Paint called Whisper, and it's kind of an off-white. White kitchens are really popular, but they can also be a little overpowering. So this has a little bit of a yellow in it, and then the lid up into this 16-foot tall vaulted ceiling is white. So we have a two-tone, which gives space and light and kind of gives a happy feel, I think. Bright white trim and door color. This is the Craftsman style door casing, if you were able to watch that video now that it's all caulked in and painted. It's a good, clean look. It's simple. It's affordable. The bathroom over here is a little trick I use to save some time and some money. Is all semi-gloss bright white. So this is the trim color. So when I put the semi-gloss bright white into the paint gun, I paint the bathroom. And what happens with a bright white in a small space like this is it just makes it feel bigger. This is the smallest bathroom you can build, just about. It's 5 feet wide and 8 feet deep, and the bright white is a good trick to make it feel a little bit bigger. So this is going to be the next phase of this ADU build. I'll be putting tile in here. So I'll put a concrete tile backer down and then a 12 by 24 slate tile that'll transition really nicely into the hardwood. This is the pocket door for the bathroom. Really excited to say that there is heat in the building. So this last week, I got the final power drop, and this 12,000 BTU Daikin mini split is more than enough to efficiently heat and cool this ADU. And I'm gonna have it set on 68. What I'm trying to do for the next 7 to 10 days is get this climate to normal temperature so I can acclimate the hardwood flooring. This is oak, white oak hardwood flooring that I'll be using for the floors in here. It's a 5-inch. It's a Select and Better product. Here's the double pocket door. I did not do a video on the install of the double pocket door, and be thankful I didn't, because it took me about an hour to get this door properly set. But the thought of the double pocket door is when you walk into this small space, you have all the volume, you can see all the way through the building. But if you have guests over, you can also close off your bedroom. So kind of a supply issue that's worth sharing. This is the pile acclimating in the bedroom, and then the other pile of hardwood acclimating in the front room. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they're two different sizes. So this is 5-inch wide plank white oak, and this is 3 1/4 Select and Better white oak. And it's the same wood, same species, same mill, just different widths. And I wasn't able to source all the wide plank that I wanted. And I could have gotten this whole area for 3 1/4, but I like the wide look. So what I'm gonna do, as opposed to waiting 2 months to get another shipment of 5-inch white oak from the East Coast, I'm going to do a random pattern where I do a 5-inch row of wide plank, and then I do 2 3-inch rows of 3-inch, and then I go back to the wide plank. So it's going to be a little more labor intensive, but it's going to turn out nice. I'm excited about that. In the bedroom here, again, we've got an off-white color on the walls and a bright white ceiling, and we get a nice passive solar reflection that comes in through this south-facing window, bounces off the windowsill and the floor up to the lid here, and makes it feel a little bit bigger. Here's the closet pack that we put in. If you were able to catch that video, it still needs the poles. These are the closet doors. I'll hang the bypass doors after the hardwood's in. Nice kind of barn styled, again, galvanized fixtures, smoke detector in here, And that's kind of where we're at with this process now. Again, next will be tile, and then when the hardwood is acclimated, I'll be installing that. And I hope everybody tunes in for those couple of videos, because I'm going to be showing the basics of installing tile and the basics of installing a raw nail down hardwood. Thanks for your time. Hope everybody's having a good day.